Okay, I've got my new Venus Snap Voxbox, which is sent to me for free for quality purposes from Influenster. This is my dog, Rue. Hi. And that's Beignet. I'm going to open this. Go ahead, man. Let me get it. Are you gonna help me open it? Are you gonna help me open it? Ah. Ooh. Wow. Okay. What all is in here? Okay. Looks like this. It's really small. It's really small. I know it's for on the go, but I'm surprised at how small they get it. But yeah. Looks cute. It's got pink and 5 blades. Can't really get much better than that. So, yeah, it's got a neat little blue carrying case. My instructions. And I guess this is just seeing the different kinds of blades there are. And a coupon. Awesome. Sweet. I'm going to go get more of those. Thank you, Influenster, and thank you, Venus Snap from Gillette. I'm excited to get to use this. However, I'm not going to film me using it, because that would be weird.